April 2019 was one of the most important days in history of science because astronomers have been able to photograph the fascinating black hole for a long time. This image was released by NASA Event Horizon Telescope, and NASA scientists claim that it is the most massive black hole ever discovered, and it is about 10.5 billion light years away from us. If we want to explain it in simple words and estimate the size of universe, it will be take 10.5 billion years to reach this black hole if we travel at the speed of light. The famous scientist of this century, Stephen Hawking, died. His research on black hole was well appreciated. But do you know that why black hole are actually look like? But do you know that what's a black hole look like? You will know the answer of this question in this video. Before starting the video, I request that if you not subscribe our channel Seekers of the Wonders, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and please like our videos because if you like it, our motivation to make video increase. In world of science, they are sometimes called the passage to another universe and sometimes the pit of death. Black hole is really a black, or there is a world of secret behind this. May be possible while traveling through a black hole. You can go to another universe, and if you have any superpower, that you can return to that universe as well. Friend, at the beginning of the video, we told that the scientists around the world present institute and said that Stephen Hawking research on black hole is generally closest to reality. It is generally believed that only darkness inside a black hole, and that because of the strong gravity, it absorbs everything. So the majority of scientists compare it with the creator of death. But Stephen Hawking's idea is that when we cannot see inside a black hole, and we do not know what inside it. So how can we say that black hole actually represent death? But we can also imagine it that black holes are actually entrance to the another universe. Stephen Hawking said that black hole can be called the door to the another universe. If you have entered a black hole, don't panic. Get ready to enter another universe, but it will be impossible for you to go back into this universe because the black hole has so much gravity. It has so much pulling force that it swallows whole star. Yes, scientists believe that to return from the black hole to this universe, you will also need your own strength to overcoming its gravity. Here a question will come that how black holes so denser that no even light escape from their immense gravity. Science defines black hole as dead stars that have gone completely dark. Science believes that when a star is at the end of its life, it explodes to change into a neutron star or into a black hole. Any star becomes a black hole due to its gravitational pull. The gravity of a black hole is very large due to extremely large amount of material in a small space. Scientists recognize that black holes are like a cosmic magnifying glass and forcing light to pass upward or downward, and because of this, scientists are able to see the galaxies behind the black hole, and this is called gravitational lensing. Scientists agree no matter and light escape from black hole, it is completely limited. It is not possible to return from them. If the research of the researcher is taken into consideration, it can be imagined that this is the way to reaching other universe. No one can touch its boundary and directly see it. So the whole discussion revealed that this part is the gateway to the other universe through which it is proved that scientists and Holy Quran like at the point. So friend, how did you like this video of today? Please comment below and let us know about your valuable comment.